Good morning, everyone. It's me, Daphne. Um, Today to start, well, I want to say Happy New Year's, right? I hope you left 2017 behind and you're stepping in 2018 with a fresh new start, fresh new ideas, a new state of mind, right? And also giving thanks to God that you made it through another year. Today I am starting off the day with, well, first of all, a fresh cold, not cold, but cup of water. That's what I started with. And now I'm going to make a juice. And this is what I have. I have some apples for sweetness. I have some organic lime. I have some that's for vitamin C and your citrus. I have some kale, and I also have some parsley and some cilantro. So this is the parsley right here. My hands was washed, and this is my cilantro, culantro, as the Spanish would say it. All right, so this is, as you can see, a whole bunch of chlorophyll, and I think that we need to detox. That's another way of clearing up skin, is clearing up your insides, especially the mucus. So here we go. And this is my juicer. This is, I use this for therapeutic reasons. This is the omega. Oh gosh, this is horrible. And I love this little juicer. This is the I'll write it's the name down. All right, let's get started. It's very quiet, as you will see. This is it on. It needs to be lubricated first before you put the greens. It is not it's not made to just juice out greens alone, or else it's gonna squeak and all of that stuff. All right, I don't have anything to hold on. My water pot is boiling.